Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Escape air filter. First, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver and the correct replacement air filter for your vehicle. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin any work under the hood. It's also a good idea to quickly check your owner's manual for any model-specific tips or warnings. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's find the air filter housing. It's typically a large, black plastic box located near the front of the engine compartment. You'll need to unclip or unscrew the fasteners holding the cover in place. There might be 2 to 4 clips, or a few screws, depending on your Ford Escape model. Once open, gently lift out the old, dirty air filter, paying attention to how it sits in the box. Before placing the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the air filter housing. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Now, carefully insert the new air filter, making sure it's oriented exactly as the old one was. It should fit snugly into the housing without any bending or forcing, creating a tight seal. Finally, carefully reattach the air filter housing cover. Make sure all clips are securely fastened or all screws are tightened down. Give the cover a gentle wiggle to confirm it's properly sealed, preventing any unfiltered air from entering your engine. You've successfully changed your Ford Escape air filter. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This simple maintenance helps your engine breathe better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.